please welcome David Phillips, the Managing Director of City and Guilds, and ILM, the headline partners, of course, the headline sponsors of the annual Apprenticeship Conference.
Hi, I'm Camda Hahn and I'm the Executive Director at East Surrey College and John Ruskin College. We were talking about sort of the challenges in working with youth hubs and working with the DWP, working with employers. There's such a suite of programmes, whether you're doing the SWAP, Kickstart, traineeships, now the occupational traineeship, that within City and Guilds that there is a software that really maps this out. And all those kind of alignments into careers are already there. The funding is made quite clear, and for somebody like me who's got to go out, pull these programs together, it's giving me some hard wiring into planning with my partners so that we've got the right forces.
I'm Cuthbert Cassell. I'm working for Intertrainer, part of the City and Guilds group. And I've just spoken at the annual Apprentice Conference, and I spoke about my story of how I came from council estate background into an apprenticeship on the railway, and now I've come back into the training side of things.
So I'm Megan McKinnon, Regional Business Manager for the South at City and Guilds. It's been fantastic to bring everyone together today. Some really interesting topical conversations. We've been talking about the Green Skills Agenda and what our qualifications are and how we can fit and support that. Underspend conversations with regards to adult skills budget and the utilisation and our new delivery plans and how to embed those. We're also talking about the real struggles and challenges within the sector, so be it recruitment, for engaging learners, in terms of timely completion of apprenticeships, so just really unpicking what those challenges mean and the solutions that we have to offer. But in terms of tomorrow, please do come back. We've got our coffee in the background, so that's definitely been appealing to people, but we'd love to continue our conversation, so thank you.